Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by assembling evidence and authority, account info, ID, and proof of permission. Once done, pick the carrier channel. Online portal is fastest. Phone works too. Make sure to note the exact time frame you need and the billing cycles involved. You should explain why you need call and text logs when you first speak to support so they route your request correctly. Keep a time-stamped record of every call and email. These traces matter if you must escalate. Now you move into the detailed request. Clearly state start and end dates and which record types you want. Once done, attach signed authorization and ID. Carriers often reject incomplete forms. Make sure to request the preferred format, CSV for analysis or PDF for legal use, and ask about fees and retention limits. If the first agent hesitates, escalate politely to records or legal compliance. Keep every response. Timestamps and reference numbers shorten follow-ups and improve success odds. When the carrier sends files, verify dates, phone numbers, and message types match your request. You should immediately check for gaps and metadata like timestamps and cell site info where available. Once verified, store records securely and create encrypted backups. Make sure access is limited. If you face a denial or incomplete response, escalate to a supervisor, submit a formal complaint to regulators, or consult counsel about a subpoena. One troubleshooting tip: always ask for a written reason for any denial to document the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.